There's been a ton of single track in Canada.
It's not easy. And so I think so much of it is your mindset.
Oh my goodness.
Unfortunately, our mic once again didn't work, but here I am saying that we are in Fernie, about to start the 12th day, but it was actually the 14th day of the GDMBR adventure. And then the mic kicked back on for this. We are gonna go head out, meet some people from the internet for the first time ever. They're on the GDMBR, so we're gonna go meet up, get a coffee, and then hit the road.
Audio hasn't been working, I don't know how long. I wonder if it's from when this popped off. I really hope it's not that long because that was like 3 days ago, but we're having an issue.
Hey guys, so we've just done different takes on this. Our mic is not working, which sucks because we just met these awesome people who had watched our YouTube videos in preparation for their GDMBR adventure, and we had them talk to you guys about their trip, and unfortunately the audio didn't work, so I'm just gonna kind of fill in as we show images of it at least. They're from Chicago and they're going from Banff down to Whitefish at what they call party pace, meaning that they're stopping at all the lakes, taking their time, and getting off route to some of the cool areas and trying to avoid highways as much as possible. So they were super awesome. Had a great coffee date with them. We are definitely running a little bit late for the day, but it's fine because we're gonna go party pace today too. Sorry you guys that the audio didn't turn out. We really wanted you in the video. We called around, no place has a mic, so unfortunately the audio is probably not gonna be great from here on out for the rest of the trip.
And you can see here, I don't know what happened. I mean, this may have been from when it fell, but you can see that's been rubbed raw. I don't know how that happened.
All right, well, now that we spent another long chunk of time, it is definitely the late afternoon, so we might have another late night, guys.
This is such a beautiful trail. Look at how smooth this is. Single track, just nice and smooth. Wow, I love this right now. This is amazing. I cannot believe this. Woo! Oh, almost got some air. Got a little obstacle here in the trail. Oh my goodness. What the crap?
What's wrong? No.
I mean, we can't go down and up. That's obviously not happening.
Looks like this whole section of the trail is washed out pretty far back. So I think what we're gonna have to do is unload our bikes, bring our gear over to the other side, then come bring our bikes over. Wow, this could take some time.
All right, trip number 1, bushwhacking through the jungle with our gear.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Watch out for the spiders, honey.
There's spiders?
Gotta get to the mushroom log. Oh man. Okay, once you get through that part, it's easier. Okay. Ow. Whoa. Oh my goodness.
Thank goodness I wore hiking boots. How do people with the clipless shoes handle these parts? Wow, this is quite the hike.
Yeah, the camera doesn't do it justice. This is a straight up cliff. Like, you couldn't get up this. I don't know how we're gonna get the bikes through here.
All right, guys, I've been thinking about this a lot during this journey, and I think one of the key differences between this time and last time is that we're more mentally prepared for obstacles. We always kind of knew when we left the Great Divide last time that we'd want to continue it someday, but we knew we needed to be mentally prepared because it's not easy. And so I think so much of it is your mindset. Now comes the fun part.
The bikes. Oh man. Okay, we're gonna do one at a time.
Together.
Yeah, together.
That's the plan of action here. All right, round 3, here we go.
Cue dramatic music. Oh man. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go around to the other side.
Oh, it's Kana Branch, the lake. Okay.
I will need your help bringing it down that hill. That's
Okay.
it.
Are you okay, honey?
We gotta get to the other side quick because I just heard thunder. We're on the last one. My bike.
Round 4.
Round 4. All right, see if I can make this a little bit smoother this time.
Go, husband. Go. Since I'm doing nothing else, I'll be the cheerleader.
Okay. While you're filming.
Good job, husband. You can do it.
Almost in the clear.
Woohoo! Good job. See, my cheerleading's helping. Almost there. Need my help over there?
Yeah.
All right, well, I don't think our footage quite did it justice, guys. I think it's hard to capture, but it's just picture like suddenly a giant gaping hole where the trail should be. That's essentially what it looks like. All right, guys, it is like 4:30. We've done like 5 miles today. And we got a late start, but still.
Well, it looks like the Great Divide is actually supposed to continue up this way, but it does say trail closed because there's a bridge out.
Man, the Great Divide was too easy on us early on. It saved it all for the end.
It's another huge washout.
No.
I mean, it's not that bad. I think we can just hike a bike.
All right, well, another mini washout this time.
Not nearly as bad as the other one. What is up with this water here? It's like got this rusty looking residue. It's a push and pull method.
Why doesn't it smell like poo in there?
Oh.
You don't, there's pipes. You don't think this is like a sewage?
Oh gosh, please no. Your bike's not in it, is it?
I don't think so.
It's disgusting.
It literally smells like poo here, guys.
It's a lot of work. How many miles have we done?
So little.
Check out these footprints here. So for perspective, that's my hand. So whatever this is has gigantic paws. Looks like 4 toes and a pad. My guess is probably a cat. I bet that's a cougar.
No. No. Mm-mm.
What the heck? Another closure?
How on earth are we gonna get out of this?
We might have to take the highway.
Oh, cows! There's a bunch of cows.
And the baby's drinking milk right now.
It's kind of weird that we humans decided to drink another cow's milk. Doing a long bike trip like this, there isn't always time to do things you would usually do like yoga. So I found a way to fit it in on the road.
I had to stop suddenly because a bug flew right into my eye, and I think Liz was more horrified than I was.
Alex is like, can you help me find it? Literally saw it crawling right here in his eye. Oh, like seriously, like out of a horror movie. It was horrible. Horrible. He got it out now, so crisis averted, but I think I'm gonna have nightmares from that. So pretty.
Yeah, it's just a fire camp for a complex of fires kind of in the surrounding area here.
We're headed to Whitefish. Is there anything?
I think you should be okay.
Okay,
yeah.
cool.
It's a gorgeous night. As you can see, the sunset behind me. We are literally pitching our tent in somebody's field. Tonight, we're in Elko. So we didn't go far today, just like a half day. So they're letting us just pitch our tent for free out here in their field. Because they don't have a campground this year, I guess. It's late. We should probably get going.
You know, we probably could have borrowed a can opener from one of those RV people.
But instead, we're going caveman style. Meet Alex, meet open Ken. All right, now we got some beans.
Cold beans on a tortilla. I'm sure it'll be fine. It looks sad.
You know you've hit a certain point in your life when you sit in a field where you've pitched your tent, opened a can with a knife, and put it cold on a tortilla.
Yep. Well, bon appetit.
Finally crossing the Canadian and US border. Guys, we made it to the US.